always dispatch to the Huevos Boys and MP5s. So the Huevos get their guns from my guys. I do not allow them to have automatics, which means they're dealing with somebody else behind my back. You're not willing to get another phone call in Vegas. I need to know who the Huevos are dealing with. Who is their connection? So you're gonna head over to Taco Town. You're gonna kidnap them by the name of Frisco. And you're gonna bring that little prick up.
Look who it is. Glad to see you too, asshole. Believe it or not, I am glad to see you. I'm sponsoring a boat in this charity race, but unfortunately my driver's at home in a full body cast. Right now, seems he had a problem with keeping up with some debts he owed to some unsavory folks.
Bummer.
You know how to drive a boat?
Yeah?
Great, you're my guy. Get out there and have fun in the name of charity. Oh, and finish first or I'll cut your scrotum off.
Yeah.
Hot stuff out there. If you want to make some more waves, I can set you up with some other boat races at some point.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Cool. Later, Tater.
Jason, I've been having a rough time of it this campaign season.
I've noticed.
Now it seems my bad luck is seeping into my personal affairs as well as my private. A few years ago, I enticed a few unsavory individuals to set up shop in the neighborhood I had my sights on. Once I bought up most of the property at a quarter the price, mind you. Frank made it clear to Los Picantos that they had to go. But these folks are nothing if not stubborn. They won't leave. I got an accountant authorized to make a few deals and negotiations on my behalf, meeting with these guys later, cause I really can't afford a turf war in this area right now.
So where do I come in?
I need you to make sure this thing goes smoothly. And if they don't go smoothly, I need you to make sure my guy gets out of there alive. Head to the meeting spot, scope it out, make sure no double crossing or triple crossing or whatever the fuck goes down.
All right, yeah, sure. Nice. wrap it up already. Ah, shit!
Got the rest.
Things went bad, but you guys okay?
What about our friend?
Kinda took him out.
How many?
Like, all of them?
Damn, son. Maybe that'll put the fear of God in them, and they'll take a hint. And in about 12 months, I'll be watching the value of my property go up and up and up.
You can just go ahead and give me my share now if you want.
Yo, share? You all right, kid? You all right?
Hey, Jason. I'm glad you're here.
Everything okay, Ben?
This is probably my last day alive, so I just want to state for the official on the record and such that Frank did wrong by you.
What are you talking about? Last day alive?
Frank told me to hit up some supply drops and stashes, right? From some of the other families and outfits running around Vegas. So I got a guy following their couriers around. Problem is that if my guy's tailing the couriers, no one's actually picking up what they're dropping off.
Don't worry, Ben. I'll help you out.
Oh, you're the best. I'll text you the locations. Seriously. Thanks. I won't forget this.
Sure, Ben. Yeah.
Oh, good. You picked up. That's great. That's,
What do you need, Benny?
Oh, nothing. Just, well, you want to hang out? Yeah, maybe shoot some pool, or, I don't know, maybe blow up a trailer park?
Frank told you to blow up a trailer park, didn't he?
Sorta. Just,